I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute cat. You can ask your parents to download and print a free coloring page with animals. The link in the description under the video. In this lesson we will need any paper, a pencil, an eraser, and something with which you will color. Now let's look at the picture. Our cat has a head, an ears, a body, a paws, and a tail. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, body, ears, paws, and tail. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here, right in the middle. Draw a curve, come around, come back, up to the top and connect it. You're doing great! Keep it up! Then let's draw an ears. Upside down V shapes on the left side and on the right side. V shape. Then let's draw an eyes. 2 dots on the left side and on the right side. Now let's draw the nose. V shape in the middle of the head and connect over here with a line. And let's color it inside. Then let's draw a smile. U shape on the left side and on the right side. Our kitty has roses in its cheeks. Draw an oval on the left side and on the right side. Now let's draw a body. We're gonna draw an oval under the head. I start over here on the left side. Goes down, curve right, curve up, curve left, and connect with the head. Okay, that's right. Keep on trying. Now let's draw the paws. Draw diagonal line over here, then vertical line near this line and connect. Then let's draw 2 vertical lines on the right side and connect. Then let's draw the same thing on the left side. Diagonal line, vertical line and connect. And another 2 vertical lines and connect them. Then let's draw a tail. Draw a C shape over here. C shape. Then another C shape under this line. And connect them. Oh, I like your flowers! Now let's draw a stripe for our kitty. 3 U shapes on the top of the head. The first, the second and the third. Then short lines in the paws. Fluffy wool under the head over here. Some stripes in the body. Night lines in the tail. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's the way to go, you did it! Your cat is so cute! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram, Patreon or Facebook. Tag me in photo, Nanny Julie. Now let's color it together. You can choose any color you like. If you missed a spot, fill in it with color. My kitty will be brown. Honey, try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Pink for blush. Gray for stripe. Gray for some stripes. Dark brown for another stripe. And this part will be white. Wow, you did awesome on coloring and drawing cat. You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Love you. Bye bye.